Very nice, very nice.
G'day guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Donna and we are the Travelling Buckinghams, and today we're excited to be back home in Geelong and we've come into our dealership, Jayco Prestige, to check out the new upgrade to the Journey. Which we're just checking out now, and it is absolutely beautiful. How are we going to walk away without buying one? I don't know. Let's go check it out, eh? How beautiful is this van? I absolutely love it. I love the color scheme. It feels like there's more space, but I don't know if that's just because none of our stuff is in it. But one of the things at the start that we really wanted to make sure that we went for was an L-shaped lounge, but this is kind of giving me a little bit more comfort feels, particularly with the velour. The velour quality just feels so beautiful. But my favourite thing is definitely the depth of these cupboards. They feel like they come down a little bit lower. They may not, but they're also that two-pack, so they're just beautiful and shiny. A new drink tap, which is lovely, and I also love this, how the bench mingles in together. It's probably a better word for that. This is also, see, this is white instead of orange. Oh, look how nice that feels. That feels so nice. Ours is obviously worn out, maybe. It looks like so tiny compared to ours. So there's still that cushion there, which we have left in our storage container. Also got speakers in here.
How's the tyre pressure gauge? That's sick.
Oh wow. What's all this stuff here then?
That's just your fuses and your port.
Do we have that already?
Yep. Just a little bit different.
Corner drawer.
It's nice. I like everything about it.
Oh, that's nice. That's heaps easier to use.
This is
Spacious?
yeah.
Enough room for some heaps of school books and a computer.
And enough room to have a nap.
Because this is not an L shape as well, it's got a little place here for shoes, which is fantastic.
These
Definitely that colour is beautiful, isn't it?
yeah.
And the velour on the seats are gorgeous. We went for the upgrade of the leather, but sometimes we regret it because it feels so nice to sit on the fabric.
Oh, there it is.
And they've also got like an open drawer there with
that corner door. Right, that's so good.
Yeah. Yeah. Definitely cool.
wow, it's so nice.
This
Oh my god, it has so much more room.
the spring is
Oh,
pushing
the
up
different
on
springs,
that.
yeah. So that they're the ones that had a problem with breaking.
Chassis design on them, it's heaps better.
So what have they done that's different?
They're running all the beams that way now
Yeah.
instead of crossways. I like it.
So because we had to add stuff to ours, didn't we?
I just put a few little bits in to strengthen it up.
Yeah, but now you wouldn't need to. Well, that's it, guys. That's the beautiful new Jayco Journey Outback, which we have a Starcraft 22.16/1. And they start from about $72,000. So you still want to get all the extras like we did, the extra solar, the outdoor shower, the bike racks, that kind of thing. Just bear in mind if you're wanting to get one that you call up the dealership because there is a bit of a wait this year it's now March 2021 and the wait's I think till after Christmas, so bear that in mind. But the great thing about the Jaycos, they hold their value because everyone trusts them and knows them, and I could definitely feel the quality in that Jayco that we looked at, and I was very impressed. So whilst we won't be upgrading right now, we might consider it when we get home because I definitely love the colours, and I just imagine what it's going to look like next year. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you at the next one. If you want to follow our adventures, be sure to subscribe.